Hi everyone, Kim here. Welcome to my channel, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim, where you'll find all things beauty and more. And today I wanted to do something a little different. I am excited about a new product I just recently received, and I am basically a new content creator, so I thought it was time to step up my game a little bit. So I purchased a Sony ZV-1F camera, and this is the box that it comes in, and this is what the camera looks like. And of course it just says digital camera ZV-1F on that side and has the information on the box. And then you open the box. If I can get in the box here. You open the box. And on the top, it comes with of course, the instructions and the manual, and the warranty information is on the very top. And then the camera actually comes in a little pouch, but then it comes with this little cover on top of it. And in this, as you can see, this is how it's packed. And then on the side, it has the little plug in, the USB cord, the adapter to transfer photos to your phone or computer, and to charge your camera. And then it also has the little wind microphone that comes with it in this pouch. And this is the little wind microphone that comes with it. And the camera, this is the camera I got. And this is a white, obviously, Sony ZV-1F. This is the one I chose. I chose to get the white one. I just like the white. I think it's really pretty. And of course, it has this little cover that you just squeeze right there to take it off. And then you just squeeze it and put it back on. It's really easy to take on and off. And you have all your control buttons on the top. And this one actually records your videos. And you have other buttons up here. I have to learn what they all are. And then you have your start button that's right here. And then on the back, of course, you have your menu button, and then you have your settings, all your settings right here that you can find. And your screen actually opens up, as you can see, and all your information is right here, and your video will show up on that screen. And it also flips like that. Okay, so you've got that screen there. But it's a nice little camera. And let me just show you how this, I did figure out how to put on the little wind microphone. You just slide it in the top here. And then you have your little wind microphone on top. And I've heard a lot about this camera on YouTube, but not only YouTube, but on Google. I've done searches for a good camera for vlogging and for YouTube, and this one comes up as a great affordable option. And on YouTube, I've seen so many videos about these, how great they are. So I thought I would try that myself. And this is a great little camera at an affordable price. They run around $4.99. If you wait long enough, sometimes they'll go down to $3.99. I actually got mine on sale for $4.49. So it is a great affordable little camera. And it's supposed to be have excellent videos on it. And so I'm going to give this camera a try. I have a lot to learn about it. I still haven't used it yet because I have to learn all about the different settings. I am technically challenged, being 58 years old, almost 59. So I'm technically challenged, and I have a lot to learn about this camera. I've figured out the basic functions of it so far, and I figured out how to put the microphone, the wind microphone on top of there. I figured that much out, and I can do a basic video. For some reason it won't transfer videos to my laptop. My laptop just won't recognize the camera for whatever reason. I can transfer the videos to my phone, so I can upload them from my phone to my laptop if I decide to do that. But yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there with that. But I am looking so forward to using this little camera, and I'm hoping I can bring better quality of videos to you so I could up my game a little bit and just bring you better, clearer information, a clearer view. And so that's my ZV-1F camera. And if you have any questions about it, you just message me or email me and let me know, or comment down below, and I'd be happy to help. I thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my first video, which will be soon, from my new camera. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Mwah.